Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove original sound from video in TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So, what if you want to add story or post a video on TikTok, but you want to remove the original audio from the video from TikTok so you can replace it with music that you like, sound that you like from TikTok. It's very simple. You can edit it on TikTok without any third app editor on your phone. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our TikTok. Now you can just upload the video that you want to post to your TikTok. For example, I want to post this video. Okay.
Udah diaman
We are number one.
I want to remove the original audio. It's very simple. So you can just select on add sound.
Udah
Click
diaman
on that.
Udah diaman
We are number one.
Now select on the volume.
Taking me back.
Now you can just adjust the
Udah
volume,
diaman
We are
the
number
original volume
one.
to left like this. So now you have completely removed the original audio from this video on TikTok. It's very simple, right? Now you can upload it with the song that you like. So that is how to remove original audio from TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.